Hi Dressy Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Embarrassment from Inside Out 2. So let's get started. To draw cute Embarrassment, let's first start by drawing his big round nose. So I'm going to start right here with a big curve. So my goal is to kind of draw an oval, a round oval, but nice and big. Go ahead and come down. And go around and connect everything. There. So nice big round oval. Okay, so now that I have this big nose in, let's go ahead and find your center. So I'm going to say about right here, approximately, and I'm going to go to the left, give myself a point, and go to the right and give myself a point. So I know that my eyes are centered. And from there, I'm going to go ahead and just curve, kind of like this ovalish shape for the eyes. And just bring it in. So ovalish circle once again. And same thing on this side. There. So now that I have that, and just remember you don't want to make this too big because you want the nose to be really big. Then from there we're going to go inside and draw a circle. And I'm going to come in about right here and draw a small circle for a highlight, and then in the center I'm going to draw another circle and shade that all in. And then this is the part where you color the eyes. And so I'm going to come and do the same thing on this side. I mean, that's where the color of the eyes would be. So same thing here, highlight, and then the center. And shade it all in. There. Then from there, we're going to come in. So this is the edge of your big nose. Let's come in a little bit. So say about right here. And same thing about right here. But oh, before I do that, let's come over the eyes. And about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve coming down over the eyes. And same thing here. So for the brow, kind of that kind of curve. And then we're just going to go ahead and thicken it up. And same thing here. There. And so then from there, we're going to go ahead and draw the face. So I'm going to go up. We're going to go over the brow, and I'm just going to find my center and say about right here. I'll give myself a point just so I know where I'm going. And I'm going to go around to draw my curve. And I'm going to bring it all the way down here to the other side. And down. So Embarrassment has the hoodie on his face and he's zipped it up nice and tight. So that's what we're drawing right now. So then from there, let's go ahead and draw some hair. So I'll come about right here. Maybe just draw a strand that comes in the center, and then just have some strands just going back and forth, and then maybe here one, and then so we have some space. Go ahead and draw a curve for some more hair, and then right about here I'm going to add a tuft of hair that sticks out. So then from there I'm going to go ahead and go around. So for the trim of our hoodie, I'm going to follow this curve I've made all the way around. Go around the nose and come in right underneath the nose. So same thing here. So I go all the way around. Okay, so then from there, let's see here. we need to come over here and we're going to taper, so more of the hoodie. So let's come right about here and we're gonna pop it out a little bit and then just bring it in, taper it in. And so same thing here. Pop it out and bring it in. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and we're gonna come back down to the center and find your, come back to the bottom and find your center. So let's say about right here is our center, and I'm going to just go ahead and draw a zipper pull first. So right here, the little handle. So 2 angle lines and then connect it and put a little circle right here. So that's your center. I'm just going to draw a little line about right there so we know that's where our center is. And then I'm going to come right here, we're going to have the hands. So I'm come right about here and draw a curve towards the center, and same thing here. Just draw these 2 curves, and so we just want this line, we want the hands together. So that make it easier, let's go ahead and draw a line coming down, so about right here, just tentatively, and I'm going to cut it off and then draw a sleeve. So let's come back up here and we're going to draw this big arm and bring it in and connect. So same thing here, just curve around that center line, just leaving some room for our hands, and then once again draw the arms. There. Then from there, let's draw the hands. So that's our center. So we're going to come right about here. We're going to go up, give it a little hump for a thumb, then come in towards the center right there, and then the rest of the hand will be about right here. Just curve it in. So same thing here, just go up a little bit for a thumb, and then a little line, round it off, and curve and bring it in. And then we can just draw 2 little lines right here for the fingers. There. So it kind of looks like the hands are just kind of together and embarrassed, right? So then right here, we draw a cuff. And same thing here. Okay. So then from there, let's come back down about right here. I'm going to go ahead and draw the rest of the hoodie. And draw in a curve, so about right here. Try to make sure it's centered, and then I'm going to go ahead and connect it. And then add a little line right here for another layer of the hoodie, and then some pockets, some indication of pockets. So right here, we're going to add a curve and a curve, and I think I should bring this line down, so whatever space you have, and same thing there. And then before I forget, we need to draw, very important, the pull tie for, so we just add 2 curves here and then bring down line about right there, add a knot, and then continue. So whatever amount of space you have. There. Okay, so hopefully that way you know for sure that he's wearing a hoodie. And then from there, let's see, now we need to draw the legs. So let's come straight down again. And it's not going to be very, it's going to be pretty short. So let's say about right here. Bring it in on both sides. And I'm just going to curve out and bring it in. So then let's come about right here. Now about the same level, I'm going to go ahead and just add a curve right here for a shoe. So same thing on the other side. There. And let's add the shoe. So we're just going to round this off and connect it. And for some details on the shoe, let's come right here, curve, and then just add this little part right here for the laces. There. And let's see, hopefully I'm not forgetting anything. I think that is pretty much it. So I'm going to add a heart right here on this hoodie. To make this my Draw So Cute embarrassment from Inside Out 2. I really hope I helped you draw him fun and easy today, and if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.